Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can open multiple terminal and run multiple things in different terminals in Visual Studio Code. First, open a terminal, and now let's say we are running something that is a continuous process in one of the terminal. Now what you can do is you can just click on this button here or press the shortcut Control Shift and 5 and a new terminal will open. So you can have one process running in this terminal and another one running in this terminal. So this is how you can open multiple terminals. And if you want to close one of these things, just click on the terminal that you want to close, or just click here on any terminal. Also, you can open more terminals by clicking this button. So let's say I want to close this one. Just select this and click on this delete button, and only 2 terminals are left. And if you want to minimize this, just press Control and the tilde character and it will be minimized. And to maximize, press Control and tilde again. Both of your terminals will appear again. So this is how you can open multiple terminals and run multiple processes in Visual Studio Code. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.